So hey guys, hello everyone. Today I came with a very good opportunity for you. This is from the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, and they releases notification for the project assistant, project scientist posts. That is for the contractual basis for NMRL Mumbai, and you know that project scientist post is very prestigious post. You are working for DRTO, and they are getting a very good amount of salary and post as well. So we'll discuss in this video about the whole advertisement they release. I got it from the DRDO RSC advertisement notification recruitment portal. So I'll provide the link in the description of the official website. You can directly go and apply. And as you can see, I already downloaded the PDF. So I'll upload this PDF in my Telegram channel, and you can go there and you can download the PDF. So we'll discuss about the all the scientist post in this recruitment, and that is and so let's go on. And here they mention that the closing date is 16th June, so plenty of time is there. And you can see that here they mark that initially contract will be 3 years, which may be extended depending on the performance of the project scientist. So according to our performance, this contractual post can be they means the period of this post will can be increased, or maybe they will give you a permanent post. So we'll read about the post, that is first project scientist A, project scientist E, project scientist D, project scientist C, and project scientist B is as well. These are the things, and we'll see which disciplines are applicable for this post. So I didn't go through, not at all. So we'll see, and if you doesn't belong to these disciplines, so don't worry. I mean, comment below. I'll try to make a video next time according to your subject. According to your subject, I'll come with another recruitment videos. So our motto is to provide you job opportunities of private and government all around. PhD positions, project positions, scientist post, even teaching post as well. And I'm providing CSR guidance, CSR net guidance for chemistry students, and I'm teaching them as well on online and free of cost. So now coming to this video, that is project scientist A. This is consolidated payment is 2,20,000, and the vacancy is only one. And let's see which disciplines are applicable and which qualification is required. So first, it is only available for the mechanical engineering students, and for qualification, they need a first class bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and minimum 15 years of practical experience in design and production integration and of the naval system. Let me mention first that NMRL DRDO is present in Mumbai. It is present in near the Badlapur, Ambernath. It is a naval research center, naval material research laboratory. So I went there for an interview. So I will make a video explains about the interview, and it's a center for only naval material research laboratory. The laboratory is good, and this is from that. That's why they are asking for the 15 years of practical experience in design and production and integration. And desirable things are here: master's degree and engineering means MTech is required. Production and design integration of naval system, expertise towards analysis of the complicated solid model, and complex workshop level fabrication drawing. So these are the things if you have means MTech and decent experience of chemical engineering towards naval system. So they will prefer in the interview. And equivalent subjects are essential qualification are given in this right side. You can read. As I told that you can take a screenshot, and otherwise you can download the PDF from my Telegram channel. I'll give the link of my Telegram channel. So coming to the next post, because if I read every details, it will the video will be so long. I'll just highlight the main thing of this post. Like for project scientist E, they are providing salary of 2 lakh 1,000, and the vacancies are two. So it is applicable for the chemical engineering students as well, and the qualification is needed here, that at least first class bachelor degree is required in every post. And here the minimum experience is little bit less, because that is they are providing, that is project assistant, project scientist AF, and this is project scientist E. So it goes like that, it starts from the scientist B and it goes up to scientist H. Okay, so with the experience you will get more higher post and higher salary. So it starts from B and ends with H. So here 10 years of experience is required for the development fabrication of the chemical plants with related with hydrogen. And the desirable qualification is the master's degree in engineering and technology in the relevant field as mentioned in the essential qualification. So master degree are required, means if you want to be preferred in the interview, master's degree is required, and the experience is mandatory. Experience should require to get that post of scientist. If 15 years of experience required for E, 10 years of experience required, and these are the means respected subjects required in the chemical engineering. And another post is there for means one post is for chemical engineering, one post is for instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication and electrical. And here also first class engineering BTech degree is required, that is electronics, electronics, electronics communication, electronics, telecommunication, and minimum 10 years of experience is required. A master degree is required and experience in large number of industrial design consultancy. These other things are required. Now coming to the next post, that is project scientist T. This is four vacancies are there for chemical engineering students, electrical engineering, electronics, communication engineering. Okay, so three posts from chemical engineering. So chemical engineering students are getting so many posts from the NMR and DRDO. That is here BTech degree first class, as I told that in, but the minimum experience is required here 7 years, because the post level is little one step lower than the project scientist E. So the salary is little bit less from that, 1,24,000. Still, it is very good, and minimum experience is 7 years is required. And the master degree in engineering is preferable if in the interview, and the 7 years of experience is mandatory. Okay, let's coming to the electrical engineering and electronics engineering. At least first class bachelor's degree in engineering technology, and that is required, and 7 years of experience. Same thing is required, and you can see the respective subjects are required for this post. And now coming to project scientist C, that is three vacancies are there for chemical engineering, and physical chemistry. Now chemistry students have a scope here. So 1,08,000 they are giving for this post, and one for chemical engineering, two posts for chemical engineering, and one post from physical chemistry students. Only physical, not they have clearly mentioned physical chemistry, not organic, not inorganic, physical chemistry specialized. We'll see what requirements are there. So bachelor's degree first is required, means first class bachelor's degree, BTech degree, and minimum 3 years of experience here is required, and master degree will be preferable as usual. And here also same essential qualification is same. So two posts from chemical engineering, and one post from physical chemistry. So what the requirement of this, that first class master degree is required for chemistry students. You should complete first class master degree, and desirable qualification is that doctorate degree in physical chemistry, means PhD degree required in physical chemistry, and research and synthesis of electrocatalyst material for energy systems. That is preferable if you done your PhD and if you have experience on this field, electrocatalyst material for energy systems, you will get a preference in the interview. And if you have now this 3 years experience is mandatory to getting the post of scientist D. So now coming to the last post, that is project scientist B, and let's see the applicable disciplines, that is chemical engineering, chemical technology, and chemistry. So two vacancies are there, one from the chemical engineering and chemical technology, and one from chemistry. So they mention the cost actually here, means for chemical engineering the one general position is vacant, and here one SC post is there. So as usual that bachelor's degree in engineering is required, and here the master degree in engineering technology and 3 years of experience is required. So that is desirable, means not here in scientist D post 3 years is mandatory, 3 years experience is mandatory, but PhD is preferable. Preferable means you will get preference in interview. You will means you will be ahead of the other candidates who don't have that PhD degree. But here the experience is in the preferable, means desirable state. Means if you have experience, you will be ahead of the other candidates in the interview who don't have the experience. That's but in chemistry only first class master degree is required. But if you have PhD degree, it will be preference for you. And if you have 3 years of experience, minimum 3 years of experience, you will get preference in the interview. So I think it's clear to all the posts. So from B to F, scientist B to F, the posts are released. So if you are applicable, please apply for this post. As you know, you will get the chance to work as a scientist in DRDO. So this is a very prestigious job and prestigious post. You are working as a scientist for DRDO. You are working directly to the for country. So it is a very proud moment for you. So these are the things, and other things like how to apply these things we will see. Like qualification experience I already mentioned there, and the age limit is here for F 45 years, for E 50 years, for D 45 years, for C 40 years, and for B 35 years is required, means minimum age, not max, sorry, maximum age is that is given here. And so only Indians can apply here. If you would belong to, I think all belongs to Indian who are watching my video. But if you don't belong to India, so you are not applicable for this post. So how to apply? As I told that I get this advertisement from this website. So I'll put this in my description, and you can go and directly apply. So these are the things I just want to inform you. And here if you are working anywhere, no objection certificate is required, NOC, and nothing that much things, nothing here is the means some how to fill the form, the documents submission, and the pixels, how much pixels is required for passport size, this you can read, means this is not the main thing I already discussed with you. So you can download the PDF from my Telegram channel, and you can read it by yourself once, so it will be clear to you. So these are the things, and see the screening or shortlisting on the basis of the education qualification or the experience minimum prescribed. They will shortlist you for the interview. So these are the things, and relevance, experience, edge field expectation by the candidate, means experience field is required. And on the basis of the desirable qualification, if more than one desirable qualification is prescribed, or any one, or means you have to satisfy the desirable qualifications, means then you will get preference. By holding a screening committee meeting including technical experts from the industry and academia. So candidates, there is something, let's see, they are initially shortlisted for the mentioned methods, and the number of candidates shortlisted according to the above mentioned methods large. The shortlisting carried out conducting a preliminary online examination. Okay, not direct interview, there will be a preliminary online interview, sorry, preliminary direct interview, not written exam. Preliminary direct interview will be there. 10 to 15 minutes, the number of the candidates shortlisted of preliminary interview as under this. For one post, they will select 24 candidates. 1 is to 24. For 2, 3 posts, they will select 48 candidates. So after preliminary interview, there will be a final personal interview. Okay. So that will be first interview will be online. That is will be online. After they shortlisted again the students, again final personal interview will occur. Then they are giving the ratio here for one post 12 candidate. 12 candidates will be they will take, means they will take one candidate from 12 posts, and 2 3 post 24 candidates. So these are the things, as you can see, nothing is there. Closing date is 16 June. Hurry up. There is 2 weeks are there, more than 2 weeks. So you can apply easily. And I discussed everything with you. Nothing more. Yeah. Okay. Medical allowance they are giving, any charge. So there is no application fee, I think. No, nothing mentioned here. So these are the things. Thank you for listening till the end. If you are listening, thank you so much, and I will try my best to bring very good opportunities for you, not only for chemistry. I am from chemistry background, chemical engineering background, but I try to make videos for every disciplines, every subject, so you can get your preferable job, or government job, private job, any job from other, from pharmaceutical industry, from our DRDO, ISRO, medical opportunities as well, BTech students, for BTech students. So thank you for listening, and happy learning. Have a nice day. I'll bring videos according to job related, and as I told, I also give teaching for CSR net chemistry. Thank you.